welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. It has been, I don't know, 10 weeks or more since I set my camera off to have it fixed. It literally took that long. It was terrible. I missed y'all like crazy. It is a couple days before Christmas. We missed the whole holiday season. We missed, what was it? What came before Thanksgiving?
There was nothing before Christmas, so I just put the decorations up there for Halloween.
So, it's Christmas all year around here.
I got a question.
So we missed Halloween. What do you have a question about?
You want to put the bleach in the thing or like where it actually says pour liquid bleach?
Pour it.
Girl, I'm out of breath.
Put it at the bottom. Put it at the bottom. You just pour it in the bottom. Not a whole lot. About.
This is why your washer messed up.
Whatever. All right.
How much?
Anyway, it has been forever since I've filmed a video. I tried to film it with my phone, try to do videos with my phone, and couldn't because I always covered the part where you talk. So after I'd go through the process of filming these videos for you guys, then it would be muffled, like, you know, you couldn't understand what I was saying. I'd get so frustrated. But anyway, I didn't want to think about that. But anyway, today, like I said, it's a couple days before Christmas. 3 days before Christmas. And as you see, and I got me some cabbage cut up. I'm going to cook me some cabbage. I've been wanting some fried cabbage and some macaroni and tomatoes. And I've got a little bit of hamburger I had in the refrigerator that I'm just going to, you know, throw on the stove and cook that. This is not a cooking video. This is a vlog because I missed y'all. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving. We had an amazing Thanksgiving. In case you didn't notice, look at this. This is a early Christmas present for me, and it's my brand new stove. It is so nice. My oldest son bought this for me, and I'm so happy because I needed a new stove so bad. I haven't really had the opportunity to cook on it because I just had it put in a couple days ago, and I'm having a hard time. Let's see, which one is which? Having a hard time figuring out what the knobs, which knobs are for what, because it's just like high tech here, and you know, I'm not used to that. So I'm going to get this cooked up for me. I'm trying to get my house together. It's a mess. All I've been doing anyway when I wasn't filming was working. I mean, my house is literally a mess. So I'm off until, what is today? Today is Thursday. I'm off until Tuesday, so I got plenty of time to rest. But for now, I'm trying to get me something good cooked. Okay, I need to use the whole side of this. So this burner over here, you can use like the whole burner, or you can just use like half of the burner if your pot's smaller. I'm just not used to this. Let me show you what I got off the Hobby Lobby, or from the Hobby Lobby. We went shopping last weekend and they had all of their stuff 60 to 70% off. I want you to look at this, my gingerbread house. This is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. And that it just takes batteries. So hopefully it'll last for a long time. I just love it. And then this is another early Christmas present that I got from one of my sons. So he thought maybe, you know, I could use it this Christmas. So I love our early Christmas presents. Well, you know what those are, right? Those are tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes. I want to show you what I'm going to do. I'll probably post a picture of it when I'm doing it. I'm going to make a like, you know how people make those charcuterie boards or whatever, which I'll also include a picture on here on the one that I made for Halloween. I made like this phase. It's awesome. But anyway, I'll show you a picture of that because we had a party that we went to at my son's house. But I'm going to make a Christmas tree, and I'm going to put, you know, different things on it. I got these tomatoes, and it's going to be so cool. I got salami and pepperoni, cucumbers and pickles and all kinds of good stuff, olives, and it's just going to kind of wrap up like in a Christmas tree. It's going to be amazing. Well, I hope it's going to be amazing. See, that's the cone right there that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to kind of put all of my stuff around it just with toothpicks, and make it look like a Christmas tree. I hope it turns out. I found that idea on Pinterest. And then there is one of my other little gems. I just love that. Let me turn the lights off so I can show you how pretty they look. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. I'll show you that other one. It's hard to see, but when they're lit up, it's really pretty. This doesn't show it justice here. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that neat? That's one of those fiber optic. I'd show you my tree, but I can't get to it. I've got, honestly, presents kind of out into the middle of the floor. I didn't decorate it. I pulled it out actually a couple weeks before Thanksgiving, and I swore I'd decorate it, but I never got it decorated. We got it put up. It's one of those flocked ones. I think I showed it to you a couple years ago. You can probably see over there. Look at that. My house is a mess. A mess. The whole time I've not been vlogging, I've been working. Sometimes 5 nights a week, and it's terrible. That's why I look so haggard all the time. But there's my tree. But it's not lit up. It's really pretty when it's lit up. And like I said, we don't have any decorations on it yet, but it's so pretty when it's lit up. But honestly, 3 days before Christmas, that sucker may be naked for Christmas. Let me see if I can get it plugged in for you. There it is, plugged in. Look how pretty that looks. Isn't that pretty? My mantle looks so pretty. The stockings are kind of jacked around. They were more, you know, spread apart. But as they got filled, we couldn't get back to where they were located because of all the presents. But, you know, this is presents for 7 people. So it's not overkill. My husband thinks I'm crazy, but you know what? I like buying for my kids. I always have liked buying for my kids, but look at the stockings. They're like just jacked around. There's one hanging around there. Doesn't that look pretty? I love that. I love that right there. I think I'm trying to get a cold, so look how pretty that is. It's just so lit up. You can't. Oh, there's a snowman right there hanging off of it. And those little things I got at the dollar store. I got that. Him, Santa, I've had him for a long time, and I got that at the dollar store as well. So if we can focus on what that says. It says the magic of Christmas is not in the presents, but in the presence. Love that, love that. And that little fancy bow right there, I got that at the dollar store as well. I thought that was so pretty. But this is my little Christmas oasis. Look at my Santa. Olivia and them thinks that's creepy. It's a creepy Santa. I love my Santa. It is kind of creepy if you're out on the back porch and you can see the shadow of it. Look at him. I love him. He's got his hand up there like, oh my, look at all those presents. Yep, this is my Christmas oasis. See, I told you the tree doesn't look too bad with no decorations on it. There's Miss Daisy. Joe, Miss Daisy. They missed you, sis. Say hi to him. Say hi to him. She's bundled up in coats. This is the catch-all of all the coats and stuff when we come in the back door. That's just how it goes. Oh, she's sleepy. She's sleepy. All right, this is just a short and sweet little vlog. If you're here for the recipes, I probably won't be doing any recipes until after Christmas. It's only in a couple days. But I wanted to get on here and shoot a short little vlog just to let you all know that I'm back. And I missed you guys so very much. The weather coming in is going to be super bad. So, that's the garage door going up. So you guys be very careful out there. I'll probably do a little bit of vlogging tomorrow. You know I love you guys very much. I missed you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.